guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Repairing patches in your lawn is really easy with the Scott's EZ Seed. This is for tall fescue lawns, and it is a combination of mulch, seed, and fertilizer all in one. So it really takes the guesswork out of how to take care of your lawn, especially if you are a total beginner. This is really great. So we've used this in several places in the past over the years, and it has worked really well. This year we have gone ahead and used it on several patches, and I have a couple that are in progress right now. This patch here is a couple weeks out, and you can see how well these little seedlings are doing. And then I have another patch that I've just placed this on, and it is definitely holding in place, and I know these seeds are going to sprout soon. So you simply sprinkle this onto the area after you have prepared the soil. You want some of the bare soil to still be visible, but you do want to make sure you have enough of this mix. And then you just make sure that you keep it watered all the time, and it will do its thing. So this is a really simple way to do some lawn repair, especially if you're a total beginner. It really takes the guesswork out of it, and it always has given us great results. So I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.